Hi guys, Lloyd here from iGen Entrepreneur again. We are here for top tip number 8. Top tip number 8 is now that you're in a position with your wholesaler and you've built up a bit of a relationship there, get your wholesaler to do the work for you. So I'll give you two things that you can do. First thing that really paid dividends last, God, we're September now, so month before last. Basically, if you are ordering items from your wholesaler and they go out of stock because they're popular items for whatever, tell your wholesaler, listen, we'd happily take some more. If any of your orders fall through, whatever, we'll certainly take them, turn them around. And yeah, so long story cut short, July, we had bought a couple of layers of desk fans. So they had no more desk fans in stock because it all sold out because it was summertime, obviously. So basically said, listen, if someone lets you down, give us a call first. You know, we're very lean, we're online, so we don't really need to rely on, you know, shelf space being available, all that type of stuff. You know, we're pretty dynamic. Yeah, no problem. Got a phone call for 3 pallets of desk fan that basically sold out over a weekend. So can't remember the numbers, but yeah, 3 pallets of desk fans landed. I think it was 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I had them prepped, turned around, boxed up, everything labeled within, yeah, I would like to say 5 hours. It was 5 hours, but it took longer than that because I went and had food at my parents' house because they're next door to the unit. So yeah, turned around 3 pallets within 5 hours. I picked up the next day and basically sold that weekend. And because that supplier knew that I could take them, turn them around very quickly, I was their first phone call. And yeah, really paid dividends. Second thing you can do, if you're ordering an item from a wholesaler, and yeah, if you're ordering nappies from a wholesaler and they don't have a certain type of nappy of that brand, a certain version or whatever, certain size, speak to them, see if they can order it in. And if they can, great, you've basically sourced an item that you can just buy straight away rather than looking at their spreadsheet, looking at their product list and having to sort through what, you know, you would buy to sell on. If you see a product that's selling really well and you'd like that source, you can go back to your supplier and say, can you find this for me? Better still, if they can't find it for you, sometimes they can recommend somewhere that can. So I think there's 3 top tips in there. So that's top tip number 8, over and out, brown trout. If that has been helpful, drop a comment below and we'll see you soon. Take care.